Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to play a 9-ball pool game on iMessage. Open your iMessage conversation to start playing games with your friends. Ensure your device and friends have iMessage enabled and install the Gamepigeon app bundle. First, download the Gamepigeon app from the App Store. To download, tap the plus button next to the message box, swipe down, and tap on Store. Search and download the Gamepigeon app bundle. If already installed, open or find the Gamepegion under the plus icon beside the message box. Tap on the More option and then select the Gamepigeon app. You will see multiple games. Tap on a 9-ball game and select the difficulty level. Then, hit the Send button to send the game request to your friend. Your friend will receive a notification message to play the 9-ball game. So, after accepting your game request conversation, the first turn to play the game will take the opponent. The main goal of the 9-ball game is to pocket the 9-ball using the lowest numbered ball on the table for each shot. Here, the player must pot the balls in numerical order. When your opponent takes a first chance, you will see all 9 balls racked in a diamond shape. So, your opponent should strike the lowest number ball. He can pot the balls in any order, but you must first hit the ball with the lowest number. Turn by turn, repeat the same steps. Let's see how to win a 9-ball game on iMessage. Here are some tips to follow. Use different strategies and plan your shots to win the game. Position yourself and get a clear shot at the lower number ball. You should practice individual angles, speeds, and spins to manipulate the cue ball's movement and direction. Take advantage of your opponent's mistakes. Avoid scratching cue balls, otherwise it will become foul and your opponent will get a free shot. This way, you can play 9-ball games with your friends and family anytime, anywhere. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.